Hello, this is Dr. Oz. Today I would like to cover bins, creating distributions from data. I will talk about relative frequency and percent frequency. All right, so please download this Excel file 124 soft drinks, creating distributions from data. So here you can see a sample data. Of course, this could be thousands or millions of data points for Walmart or Amazon and etc. segments. But let's work on a small data set here. We could easily use the same thing for much more bigger data set. So here you can see the consumption of our customers, and if I highlight them, here you will see there are 50 customers. They bought different types of soda. So I would like to create distributions for this given data, showing that which one is more likely to be sold in the future. So let's create a model section right here. I like to change this color so that I can separate my data with the model. This is what I like to do when I create a model. All right. So now what I would like to do is create bins. Bins are non-overlapping segments, basically telling me how my data is distributed. In this case, I have 5 different types of soda. 1, Coke. 2, Diet Coke.
3, Pepsi. 4, Dr. Pepper. And finally,
Right. Of course, I will show you in the future how to do this automatically with pivot tables, but this is a good exercise for not using pivot tables and understanding the logic. So I would like to adjust this left centered or left aligned. And now what I would like to do is calculate the frequencies. So to be able to calculate frequencies, I will use an Excel called Countif Function. Countif. So this function will count only if the given criterion is satisfied. So first argument here is the range. So I highlight my range, which is this 50 entries, data entries, comma, Excel asking for the criterion. I want to count if the sales is Coke, all right, and then press enter. So now I know 19 out of 50 is Coke sales, but I cannot just drag it down, or I don't like to type this formula.
so that's why I need to press actions references for my range. So I highlighted my numbers so that press F4 to mark them. Now press enter. I can complete this out like the long on those things like that you can get it down.
Your formula is perfectly done. So as you see, I highlight these 5 values. The sum is right down here, 50. So that's, I know that I have 50 entries. So these are my frequencies. Next, I would like to calculate my relative frequency and percent frequency. All right, again, I click over here to select the entire sheet. Between 2 letters, double click to adjust my size. I can also adjust the width by manually like this. All right, highlight this, Control B to bold it, and you can do this as well. So now I would like to calculate my relative frequency by dividing number of observations satisfying my criterion, in this case Coke, divided by all possible outcomes. In this case I have 50, which is sum of all these entries. All right, so I would like to drag it down again, this number, so that I can calculate for every single product. I don't need to lock this one. I want that blue cell to go down, but I need to lock my red array so that it is locked. I press F4, enter. Now right down corner, double click. Okay, it creates so many entries based on this data entry. Okay, that's not a problem. I highlight this area and then press delete. Perfect. So now I would like to have these are my relative frequencies. I would like a percent frequency. I will reference the same value again here, press enter. Now right down corner, I can just drag it down. Now these are my percentages. By just clicking on this percent, I can show as a percentage. As you see here, 38% of my sales is Coke, 26% of my sales is Pepsi, 16% of my sales is Diet Coke, and 10% Dr. Pepper, and 10% Sprite. And I can sort this data based on percent frequency by highlighting this, and data sort based on percent frequency, which is I need to say that my data has headers based on the percent frequency. I want to have largest at the top. Click OK. So as you see here, the best sales is Coke. So I know that Coke sales is 38% chance if I choose a random sample. I know that it is more than 3 times likely in comparison to Sprite or Dr. Pepper. So that's it for this video, and enjoy business analytics.